to use dark mode in Google Sheet? Working late nights and tired of bright white lights? Then, Google Sheets dark mode can save your eyes and your battery. Let's switch to sleek, dark look that's easier on your vision and perfect for long spreadsheet sessions. Let's jump right into. Firstly, open your Google Sheet. Over there, you can see the three-dot icon. There you can see recent, shared with me, start, offline, spam, bin, and activity. Go to settings. There you can see notification settings and choose theme. If you tap on it, there you can see system default and dark. Like this, your dark mode has been turned on. If you want to more consistent experience, you can also use dark mode Chrome extension to force dark themes on websites that do not fully support it.